Magandang gabi na naman sa inyong lahat mga kaibigan. Isang big news, malaking balita ang nangyari sa Senado dahil nag-walk out ang mga members ng minority sa plenary session ng Senado. Sa inyong palagay, tama ba o mali ang kanilang ginawang pag-walk out? Pwede niyong ilahad ang inyong comments sa ibaba. Bakit sila nag-walk out? Ayaw ng mga members ng minority bloc. Tinutulan nila ang motion ni Senator Rodante Marcolita na amindahan ang Senate rules para payagan ang mga senador na dumalo. Payagan silang bumuto kahit na hindi sila personal na present sa session. Ibig sabihin, pwede silang makipag-participate sa pamamagitan ng video call, sa pamamagitan ng teleconference o iba pang mga remote at electronic na paraan gamit ang teknolohiya ng information at communication. Ayaw ng mga taga-minority bloc na amindahan ang Senate rules dahil ayon sa kanila, may malaking epekto ito sa integridad at deliberation ng botohan. Minamadali umano ng mga nasa majority bloc dahil kay Senator Bato at ang napipintong pag-aristo umano kina Senators Joel Villanueva, Jinggoy Estrada, Chis Escudero, pati si Robin Padilla at Rodante Marcolita. Pinipilit daw ng mga nasa majority na agad dalhin sa plenary at pagbutuhan kahit hindi pa handa, kahit hindi pa nagkaroon ng hearing sa Committee on Rules. Hindi raw nasunod ang proseso. Pero sa panig naman ng mga nasa majority bloc, may logic daw ang proposal dahil may mga instances na may valid na dahilan para hindi personal na makadalo at makaboto ang isang senador. At ang proposal ay hindi na kailangan na magkaroon ng hearing sa Committee on Rules dahil ibinalik na ang nasabing proposal sa plenaryo. Sinalungat nila ang sinabi ng nasa minority bloc na minamadali ito dahil ayon sa majority bloc, ang nasabing proposal ay matagal nang nakahain. Ito ay nakahain pa noong May 11. At kung maalala ninyo, nung nakakulong noon si Laila de Lima, may inihain din na resolution na payagan siyang makadalo. Payagan siyang makalahok sa mga session sa pamamagitan ng video teleconference call para magampanan niya ang kanyang tungkulin bilang senador dahil at the time siya ay nasa kulungan. Resolution ito. Ang proposal ni Senator Marcolita ay baguhin ang official rules ng Senado. Nangangulugan na kung aprobado ito, magiging official na tuntunin na ito ng Senado maliban kung ito ay amindahan uli. Kaya kung kayo ang tatanungin, nararapat lang ba ang proposal na pwedeng dumalo, pwedeng bumoto ang isang senador sa pamamagitan ng video call, teleconference at iba pang remote at electronic na paraan? Ano ang inyong opinion? Samantala, panoorin natin ang debate ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano at Senador Ping Lacson tungkol sa issue na ito.
Committee on Rules is not reporting out the
No, my
the
question,
proposal.
Mr. President, I'm sorry,
Yes.
Madam President, with your permission. My question is, has the Committee on Rules been constituted?
Yes. So, Madam President, the answer there is the same answer to the question of Senator Pangilinan and former Senate President Soto, that in accordance with Section 19, this is the same. They continue to function. Having said that, I was explaining that the motion of Senator Villanueva was not for the Committee on Rules to report out what was referred to them, but to return to the plenary. Because if you look at Section 136 of our rules, the rules may be amended by means of a motion which should be presented at least one day before its consideration, and a vote of majority senators present shall be required for its approval. So you do not need the endorsement nor the forwarding of the Committee of Rules for the amendment of the committee on for the amendments of the rules. So the only requirement is that it is put on the floor at least one day before, or the proposal is made, and that a majority of the senators present will vote for its approval. So I just wanted to clarify that, just so that we don't have any miscommunication that whether or not the Rules Committee met, who are the members, etc. Because right now that's irrelevant, because we have given back to the plenary the proposal. Yeah.
Very clear. Thank you, Senate President.
Madam President,
Senator Lacson's recommendation.
does it mean that we are now disregarding the committees of the Senate? So the committee chairman or the chairman of any committee, including the Rules Committee, may just report out any motion or any resolution referred to it in plenary, and then just, it is within his power to just report it out by himself without any deliberation in the committee, without any committee report. Is that the new rule now, Mr. President, Madam
It
President?
is
Madam
clearly.
There's no new rule. I read the rule.
Yes.
Senator Lacson is referring to resolutions or
And motions.
communications or anything referred to the Committee on Rules. We're talking about a motion to amend the rules. We had the option of taking it up, but since everyone asked for one more day, it was given to the Committee on Rules. The Committee on Rules has an option to take it up, but the acting majority leader or acting chairman of the committee gave it back to plenary, and the plenary is more, how do I put it?
Supreme.
Supreme, thank you, Senator Lacson, over the committee. So we didn't disregard the committee. It is our choice from the start whether we want to give it to the committee or not. So when we give it, so for example, I have a motion now to to extend the session to June 12 instead of June 5. That can be given to the Committee on Rules, or upon coordination with the House, the plenary can decide it directly, or we can give it to the Committee on Rules, and after he talks to the House of Representatives, he can even report it out, or he can easily, legally, morally, just say that I am tossing it back to the plenary, which is what's happening today. So
Thank
it's
you,
not a
Madam
new rule.
President. That is assuming that there was no referral.
Mga kaibigan, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood hanggang sa muli, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye!